How did you find the shoot today?
Fantastic.
Did you enjoy yourself, Elizabeth?
Fabulous.
Was it fantabulous or fabulous?
Oh, it was fantabulous.
And excuse me, can no wait. The diva has to wait till last. Save the best till last. Denise.
Hello, darling.
And this is beautiful. Oh my God! Hello, can I? Hello. This is the person responsible. And anyway, you can see hers already, so you know. Like, hello. Please tell us where we can find you. Where can we find you?
Facebook.
Yeah, but your name.
Denise Johnson.
Denise Johnson.
Close up, email, Facebook.
Denise Johnson, email, Facebook, because we need you're my personal stylist from now. You do know that, right?
Facebook.com/DeniseCJ1. So there can be.
There you go. And did you have a good time today? What did you think of the models? Did you think they were good, average, or sometime-ish?
Taking us. Rika was modeling from she came till she ended. She modeled her mouth all the way through.
I know, it's true. It's true. As you know, I can't stop talking.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
It's so fun. I'm having great times. That was Denise Johnson. Don't forget to check her up. She will do your hair magic. She's done like 2-3 different styles like in the one shoot. Amazing. This is Oliver Morris from Fashionaires, and we've got Lee Coley. Lee Coley, thank you very, very much for the shoot. I appreciate it. Oliver Morris, thank you so much for coming aboard as well. I mean, how was today for you guys, honestly, the models? I mean, were we good or were we average or what? Could we do better? Well, we could always do better anyway, but I mean, tell the truth.
Where's this going? It's on YouTube.
No, this is kind of like for my personal archives.
Well, I do it out there, not in my kitchen.
Okay. All right, come on then, answer me.
Yeah, come.
How was it?
Come. Listen,
Furthermore.
Listen, would we be a simple answer, right?
Yeah.
Come. A simple answer. Would we be breaking open champagne?
Yeah, exactly.
If it was shit.
I don't think we would.
Well, there you go. There's your answer, baby.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
Cheers.
Salute. Salute. Ching ching, as they say in Brazil. Let's go and find the rest of the clan. Hello. And can you tell me how you found today?
I found today amazing. I met some of the most amazing people here. My girl, Miss Africa, is the
Thank
bomb.
you.
And I want to see you up in lights, sister. I'm there.
Oh yeah, please.
Thank you. You're too nice. You're too and honest too. So I actually believe it. So thank you so much, Professor. You don't drink. Put that champagne down now. That's why his face looks like that clean. Because he just don't do nothing. He's boring like that, but he's not boring in real life.
Can I say something quickly? Everybody that's actually looking at this was the the best photo shoot in my whole entire life. Anyway, this is the Catwalk Professor. It was the best. Working with Africa Heaven, she was fantastic. The models was fantastic. Oliver Morris.
You know what? I was happy to come here today.
Lee Cooley. Lee Cooley was fantastic, and everybody, thank you, and Africa. Heaven, keep rocking. Love you, baby.
I love you more. Can we all say, Mr. Fitz? Prop.